Hello everyone. So this is the new video in our tutorial, and as I promised you, we will talk in this video about how to make a little retouches to the images with Illustrator and how to make them look so much better. Actually, doing that will make your project, whatever it is, very unique among the other projects. And actually this is the reason why I won the contest on Freelancer. You may think that Freelancer is not everything, but actually this way I have seen in a lot of websites, and most of them were very successful and were looked as a very modern and stylish design. So actually Illustrator will enable us to make these modern style images. And this modern style, I don't say that this is the only style that is available and this is not the only style that is modern, but these little and simple retouches will make your images look a lot more just like more beautiful and more stylish. Things like this tone paper effect is so great to show to a client and make him impressed. So let's see what is the roadmap of this video, in which we will talk about how to make these images look like in the mode of torn paper. So in this time I will not show you all the steps. We will talk about one step by another. So the first one will be how to download free high quality images. What is the source and how to get these images. Let's go.